This is not motivation. This is a wake-up call. Most people don't fail because they are weak. They fail because they never train their mind. A weak body can be fixed. A weak mindset destroys everything. Every single day, you are either building control or giving it away. There is no neutral. Your habits are silently deciding your future while you are busy reacting to life. You wake up, scroll, rush, complain, repeat, and then you wonder why nothing changes. Nothing changes because you don't change. Discipline is not about being perfect. Discipline is about doing the right thing even when nobody is watching. The strongest people are not loud. They are controlled. They don't chase motivation. They build systems. Systems wake them up. Systems make them work. Systems keep them focused when emotions try to take over. Your mind is always looking for comfort. That's its job. But your job is to decide whether comfort controls you or you control comfort. Focus is painful in the beginning because focus removes excuses. When you focus, you can't blame others. You can't blame luck. You can't blame time. Focus forces responsibility, and responsibility is heavy. That's why most people avoid it. Look at your distractions. They are not random. They are escape routes. Escape from effort. Escape from discipline. Escape from growth. But growth has a price, and the price is discomfort. You cannot build a powerful future with a distracted present. Every time you delay work, you are training your brain to quit. Every time you push through resistance, you are training your brain to lead. This is how identity is built. You don't become disciplined one day. You prove it daily. The world doesn't reward intentions. It rewards execution. And execution requires silence, focus, and patience. If you can master your mornings, you can master your life. Because the way you start your day decides the way you think. Most people start their day reactive. Strong people start their day intentional. They don't wait for confidence. They create it through action. And once action becomes a habit, fear starts losing its power. And once action becomes a habit, fear starts losing its power. Fear survives only when you hesitate. The moment you move, fear weakens. Most people wait to feel ready. But readiness is a lie. You don't become ready first. You become ready by moving. Progress does not come from thinking more. It comes from executing faster. The mind that overthinks creates excuses. The mind that acts creates results. Look at your life honestly, not with emotion, not with excuses, with truth. If nothing changes, nothing will change, and comfort will slowly turn into regret. Regret of time wasted, regret of chances missed, regret of potential never used. That regret is heavier than any discipline you are avoiding today. Strong people choose discipline early, so they don't have to face regret later. They don't look for approval. They don't wait for validation. They understand one thing clearly. Nobody is coming to save them. Responsibility is lonely. Focus is lonely. Growth is lonely. That's why few people succeed. But loneliness is temporary. Strength is permanent. When you control your mind, you control your actions. When you control your actions, you control your future. This is where most people stop, right before the breakthrough. They quit when it gets boring. They quit when results are slow. But consistency is what separates the average from the unstoppable. You don't need to change your entire life today. You just need to win today. One focused hour, one disciplined decision, one promise kept to yourself. That is how momentum is built. That is how identity is changed. You are not weak. You are just distracted. Remove distractions, and strength reveals itself. This is your moment to decide. Stay comfortable and stay average, or choose discipline and build something meaningful. The choice is always yours. Change your thinking, build control, protect your focus. Welcome to Invexio Tube, where mindset becomes power, discipline becomes freedom, and action creates results.